Buenas tardes, estudiantes. Good afternoon. Welcome back to week 3 of our counting activity. So we started out doing this lesson and it was going to be 2 weeks. And then last week during the lesson, I realized that we needed to stop and break that lesson apart over 2 different lessons. So today we're going to do the last part of it and then a little bit of an extension because a super 3rd grader, Miss Kelly, asked me about a challenge activity. And so today we are going to incorporate that challenge activity in with our Spanish lesson. So, ¿Cómo están? How are you all? Espero que están bien. I hope that you're all doing well. Our target was, I can count to 20 in Spanish and American Sign Language. So let's look back at our numbers, fingers up, and let's sign them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember 6, touch your pinky. 7, 8, 9, 10. On to 11. 11, 1, 2, 1, 2, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do 11 through 15 again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now we're gonna add on 16 through 20. So the number 6 was like this, right? Pinkies touching thumb. So now you turn it towards yourself like you're looking at it and it flips out. 16, good. Now make 7 and same thing, face it towards yourself and flip it out. 17. So go back to 16, 16, 17. What do you think 18 is gonna be? Exactly. Make an 8, touch middle to thumb, turn it towards you, and flip, 18. Now what do you think 19 is gonna be? Do you see the pattern? Yes. Make a 9, should be facing towards you, 19. Good. Let's do 16 through 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Good. Now let's add those in Spanish. Okay, so we know that 10 means 10. 10 means 10. So when I want to do 16, I say 10 y 6. 10 and 6. Because 6 is 6. So 10 y 6 is 10 and 6 together. 10 y 6. So then what's 17 going to be? Yes. 10 y 7. 10 and 7. So what about 18? Good. 10 y 8, 10 and 8. 18. 10 y 9. Okay, let's go through those together. My turn. 10 y 6. Your turn. My turn. 10 y 7. Your turn. My turn. 10 y 8. Your turn. My turn. 10 y 9. Your turn. Fantastic. And now 20 is a little bit different. 20. Look at my mouth. 20. 20. Awesome. You'll even hear people almost make the V sound like a B when you're in certain regions of certain Spanish-speaking countries, and it'll sound like this, 20, 20. But either one is fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip over our cards and we are going to sing our song from last week with all the numbers because our target was to sing or to say from 1 to 20 in Spanish and sign language, and we are going to do that right now. Okay, I'm gonna go really slowly this first time. 1, 2, y 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comienza otra vez. Let's start again, but we're actually going to continue on. Oh, I forgot once. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, comienza otra vez. Whoa, baby. That is a brain and a hand exercise too, to put those all together. Let's do it one more time, a little bit quicker. And if you need to see it slower, you can rewind and watch it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comienza otra vez. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Comienza otra vez. Let's start again. Now here's the challenge. You ready for this? So this was, Miss Kelly asked for a challenge and we've got one. So here's 20, 20. So the way you would say 21 is 21. The way you would say 22, 22. The way you would say 23, 23. What about 24? Yes! 24. What about 29? 29. You got it. So then, once you learn the words for 30 and 40 and 50, you can make any number. So for example, my turn, 30, your turn. This is the word for 30. So if I want to say 38, I'm going to put it right here. 38, 38. What about 35? 35. Yes. And now I can do the same thing with 40. 40, my turn. 40, your turn. Awesome. Let's do 42. Can you remember what 2 is? Yes. Dos. So let's put those together. 42. Yes. So counting is fun because once you learn the pattern, you can make just about any number that you want. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to do 2 sentences here. So remember, tengo, I have, and in this case, I was hungry today, so I chose food words. Hamburguesa, my turn. Hamburguesa, your turn. Yeah, and clearly we've got a hamburger here, and I love hamburgers, so I couldn't think of a better sentence. Okay, tengo 7 hamburguesas. What is my sentence? Tengo 7 hamburguesas. Did you get it? I have 7 hamburgers. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, but wait till you see this one. Let's do, where's my favorite? Donas. Donas. I'm gonna need a really big one for this. Tengo 19 donas. Tengo 19 donas. How many? Hello. I have, tengo 19 donas. I have 19 donuts, which means I have a stomach ache and probably a headache too, but sounds delicious. Okay, you did fantastic today. My challenge for you is to sing your song in Spanish, and if you can add the signs in too, then you're doing it in 2 different languages at the same time, and share it with a friend or a family member. Okay, I can't wait to see you here at school or check in with you on Google Classroom and find out how it's going. Que tengas una buena semana. Have an awesome week. Adios.